Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are in the good condition. Today I would like to teach you about the current activity part 2. In this video, you will learn how to make sentence in affirmative, negative, interrogative, and WH questions. How to make sentence in present continuous. Here, I give you the subject. This is the subject, and this is the to be. This is the present participle or verb ing, and this is object, and of course this one is adverb of time. We start with subject, he, she, it, name, a single name, for example James, and Talia. The to be is, and this one is the present participle. We use verb ing, and this one is object, and this one is adverb of time. So, for example, he is cooking soup now. She is watching TV at the moment. It is keeping the pet at present. James is having dinner today. Talia is giving the speech this morning. Next, how about if we change the subject? Here, we change into we, they, you, and two names, James and Johnny, and Talia and Dian. We use are here because the subject is more than one. And this one is the verb ing or present participle. And this one is the object, and of course this one is adverb of time. Let's read together. We are cooking soup now. They are watching TV at the moment. You are keeping the pet at present. James and Johnny are having dinner today. Talia and Dian are giving the speech this morning. Next, we use I for the subject. Because I is special, so I use to be as an am. And this one is present participle. And this one is the object, and of course this one is time. Next, how to make sentence in present continuous for negative sentence. For the subject he, she, it, James, and Talia, we simply add not after to be. In here, we add not, look at this one, after the to be. The to be is. For example, he is not cooking soup now. She is not watching TV at the moment. It is not keeping the pet at present. James is not having dinner today. And Talia is not giving the speech this morning. Next, for negative form with the subject we, they, you, James and Johnny, Talia and Dian. For example, we are not cooking soup now. They are not watching TV at the moment. You are not keeping the pet at present. James and Johnny are not having dinner today. Talia and Dian are not giving the speech this morning. Next, for the subject I am not cooking soup now. I'm not watching TV at the moment. I'm not keeping the pet at present. I'm not having dinner today. I'm not giving the speech this morning. Okay, now for the interrogative sentence. In this interrogative, the answer only yes or no. So we start with to be for the first, and after to be we have subject, and then present participle and object, and of course the half of time. For example, is he cooking soup now? Is he watching TV at the moment? Is it keeping the pet at present? Is James having dinner today? Is Talia giving the speech this morning? Okay, that's for subject. He, she, it, James, and Talia. How about if subject we, they, you, James and Johnny, Talia and Dian? Let's read together. Are we cooking soup now? Are they watching TV at the moment? Are you keeping the pet at present? Are James and Johnny having dinner today? Are Talia and Dian giving the speech this morning? And don't forget, of course, the question mark. Next, for subject I, am I cooking soup now? Am I watching TV at the moment? Am I keeping the pet at present? Am I having dinner today? Am I giving the speech this morning? Okay, now WH question. WH question here we use what, or we can use how, or everything with what, why, where, when, how, and why. Okay, here we use what for the subject he, she, it, James, and Talia. Let's read together. What is he doing now? Next, what is she doing at the moment? Next, what is it doing at present? Next, what is James doing today? Next, what is Talia doing this morning? For the answer is the affirmative one. Yeah, for example, what is he doing now? So the answer is he is cooking now, for example. Next, WH question for the subject we, they, you, James and Johnny, Talia and Dian. What are we doing now? What are they doing at the moment? What are you doing at present? What are James and Johnny doing today? And what are Talia and Dian doing this morning? For example, for the answer of this question, what are we doing now? We are cooking soup now. That's the answer. Next, using subject I. What am I doing now? What am I doing at the moment? What am I doing at present? What am I doing today? And what am I doing this morning? Now it's time for exercise. Look at the picture and answer in the comment in this YouTube. Make one positive sentence and then negative sentence, interrogative, and WH question for this picture. For this picture, using subject she, yeah, you can use subject she. Okay, you can answer in this comment, YouTube comment. Okay, next. Thank you.